So let's put the right foot forward and sweep back and step your right foot forward. Sweep over away from me. Put your right foot forward, overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. And giant on the right. Back to overhand weave. Giant on the right. Back to overhand weave. Giant on the right. Back to overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. And giant on the left. Underhand weave. Giant on the left. Underhand weave. Third time, giant on the left. Underhand weave. Turn back right to overhand weave. Open up to side circles. Stall the right one between your leg. Come into overhand butterfly. Take out right. Take out left. Take out right. Take out left. Go up right. Go up left. Go up right. Go up left. Turn right to the side. So left is overhand, right is underhand. Two petal flower. And again. And again. And again. And then we're going to come back into overhand butterfly. And then we're going to turn left into the two petal flower. And again. And again. And again. And then we're going to turn to the right, back to overhand butterfly. Take out right. Take out left. Go up right. Go up left. And opposite direction pinwheel up top. And bring it down to the hip reel. Come into the butterfly again. And take out right. Stall right. Overhand weave. And weave turn around 360 to the right. And weave turn around 360 to the left. And overhand giant sustained on the right. And turn left to the underhand giant. And then come into the underhand weave. And then from here, stall your right poi. And you should be in right overhand, left underhand. Right overhand, left underhand. Yes. So two petal flower. One more time. Turn right to butterfly and then right turn around in the butterfly turn around. And then we're going to make another right turn. And then two petal flower. Second time. Third time. And last time. And back to butterfly on the left. Butterfly turn around, turning left. And then one more turn to the left side. Into that two petal flower. But now let's do the swivel. And then back to the overhand butterfly. Right turn 360. One more time. So you're facing the right. And then let's do the two petal flower. And then let's do the swivel. Third time. And then fourth time. And then come into the overhand butterfly in the front. Pinwheel up top. And come down to the hip reel again. And then overhand butterfly. Left stall, turn left, overhand weave. And left turn 360 in the weave. Then let's chase the sun. And chase again. Third time. Fourth time. Down into overhand weave. Right turn 360. Then turn another 180, come out an underhand weave. And stall right, stall left to overhand. Nice. Chase the sun. 1 and 2 and 3. And now we're going to sweep up over the top, wrap the poi, short poi, come into the overhand buzzsaw. And open up. We'll repeat it a few times so that you can remember it. So we're going to chase the sun once, twice, 3 times. Now on the fourth one, you're going to come up over the top, wrap, come into the buzzsaw. Nice, good. And release, come to the side. We'll do it again. Chase the sun once and twice and 3 times. Now on the fourth time, come up, wrap into overhand buzzsaw on the right. Yes, and open it up last time. So chase the sun once and twice and 3 times. Now on the fourth, come up over the top, wrap, come into buzzsaw on the right hand side. Yeah, okay, open it up.